The buzzword this year at IBC has been AI. But what three things have caught my eye about AI? The AWS stand has a generative AI hologram. Tell me about your Agentic AI workflow.
At our AWS booth that we're showcasing some incredible Agentic AI workflows. We can show Agentic AI solutions that help media teams automate complex tasks like video highlights creation, content tagging.
So agents are the latest trend, latest evolution of generative AI. An agent is a software application that are built on top of this generative AI foundational model that can reason, reflect on its own, and take actions on your behalf to achieve specific outcomes that you have defined for it.
Incredible. And so what is this one that we're going to talk about today?
So we're actually using a multi-agent solution to allow users to interact with this agent to build highlight trailers and promo material from your video content. So on the screen here, you have this software application that has understanding of your entire video archives. So when you prompt it and ask a question, you'll be able to create a narrative based on the outcome you want to achieve, and then also generate a script and select the right shots from your video content, and then finally stitching everything together to create a cool highlight promo video for you. But what we did is that we believe no agent solution should be deployed in production without the right level of human supervision. So this software application is built actually using a right level of human and agent collaboration interaction behind it.
I'm going so slowly. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is really hard. They've only just told me this isn't a game, this is a simulation. And as you can see, it's difficult. They said to me, think of Mario Kart here, Gran Turismo here, this is up here. It's very difficult. So can you tell me what the Google Gemini is doing here?
What we're doing is we're taking all the telemetry from the cars, streaming that into the cloud, into a database called BigQuery, and then giving that information to Gemini. And then what Gemini can do is it can understand all this telemetry, can compare that to what a professional lap would look like, and then use natural language to describe how you could drive a little bit better. So Gemini is really being a driver coach in a very easy to understand way.
And what else has Google Cloud been working on?
One of my biggest projects here at IBC is one of the IBC Accelerator projects, where I've been working with champions from BBC, ITN and Channel 4, and then an agentic system for live broadcast. And we've used this technology to have vendors build their own agents, and then I've used Google Gemini to create an orchestrator agent. And it understands the tools it has available, and then can talk to these agents to do stuff in the control room, right, in the gallery. And that could be everything from, oh, there's a breaking news story, go find me a clip of X. Oh, bring me that clip back. Oh, I need you to reformat that. And sends it off to another agent to reformat or blur out faces. And then you can literally say, oh, now add that to the rundown, ready to be queued. And that whole cycle takes about 1 minute 30. It's super fascinating.
Now, the joy of this for me is that I'm actually a news journalist in the United Kingdom, and I might need some information that's in 3 million different articles. I haven't got time to read that, but this product is going to help me. So Alexi, can you tell me how it works?
Yes, for instance, I'm a big fan of the Premier League, so the football, and I would like to know and get more information about Manchester United. So thanks to this chatbot, I can just type my question. For instance, latest news about Manchester United. I submit it, and you will see that it will look for the relevant articles that we have in the platform. And then each of these articles will be evaluated and graded. And there I can just see the articles that we have retrieved, click on some of them, read the content. And finally, I get an LLM-based answer where I get a summary of the latest news about Manchester United.
Sessions at IBC on Agentic AI have been packed to the rafters. Much of it is still an emerging technology, but it shows there's so much more to come.